Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Aquila and I'd love for you guys to join. So, long time no see, it feels like. I don't know, it's been a couple days, but I feel like it's been forever since I picked up the camera. And like I said, I am only doing 2 vlogs a week, so it's not very much. Sometimes I might throw 3 in there, just because if I'm feeling very generous. But yeah, also I haven't fixed my hair yet. I think it looks kind of cute in a way. This is just like my natural hair, the lion's mane, that's kind of what it looks like. Kind of damaged, kind of healthy, in between. But how have you guys been? So I figured I'd vlog today because I am taking down my Christmas decorations today, and I'm also feeding the snakes, and I decided to show you guys a little bit of me feeding the snakes. But that is just what I plan on doing. Not very much. I have a little bit of cleaning to do, but I'm also, like I said, going to take down Christmas decorations and also feed the snakes. And I might show you guys a little bit of me cleaning. Right now I'm getting ready to make myself my first cup of coffee. But what I was touching up on, my mom and Roger left on, what day did they leave? They left on the 30th, so a few days ago. We had a fun time, went to Austin. Roger wanted to go to the Harley shop, but it wasn't open on Monday when we were there, so that kind of sucks because he wants to get an Austin Harley shirt. But yeah, today I'm going to be taking down the Christmas trees and showing you a couple things, because I put up a couple things. I put up a couple of Taylor's things that Taylor got for Christmas, since he won't be here, since he's not here to put them up, so I put them up. But yeah, I'll show you a couple things around the house that are new and just go on with my day. But like I said, I'm about to drink my first cup of coffee and go make it. And I'm really loving my hair. It's actually really soft right now, surprisingly. I put some leave-in conditioner spray stuff in it before I went to bed last night. It's actually getting really long too. It might not look like it on camera, but in person you can kind of tell. But, and I look weird up here because of my bangs. But I'm gonna go ahead and make my first cup of coffee, and then after that, once I'm doing something productive, I will show you guys. So see you guys then. Alright you guys, so I look a little crazy. I just put my hair up. I'm about to straighten these little pieces just so I can look a little decent. I think I'm gonna do a face mask because I'll show you guys what I got. And I'm like breaking out so bad. What I'm gonna do, I'll just set you guys up right here still. There you go. Ew. They always feel so weird and slimy. Ugh. Hopefully I can get this open good enough. Alright, so I got all the decorations off, all the lights off. It's just a plain old tree that I'll probably take down tomorrow since I'll have to go in the shed and get the stuff. But all my Christmas decorations are gone. Besides the lights in my room, I'm leaving those up though. But I also wanted to show you guys something. So Taylor actually got this light stand for Christmas. So I just put it right here, and it's nice because we don't have much lighting in this house anyways. So he also got that for Christmas, and that if he wants, he can hang that up. I just set it right there for now, and then my mom got me that little A candle, so I put it there also. But yeah, I just put all that right there, so if he wants, he can switch it up, but for now that's what it looks like. Really cute. Also, I wanted to show you guys what the rug looked like. I just swept the floor. It needs mopped, but I ran out of little mop things, so I can't do that right now. But this is the rug that I got for Christmas from my sister-in-law. I love it, and yep. I tried to get him to stay off of it. Luckily, I can vacuum it, and it still looks perfect once I vacuum it, because I vacuumed it a couple times already, because he does shed a lot. But they don't tear it up or anything. Luckily, he just lays on it, because it's comfy for him, I guess. I don't know. But it's easy to vacuum, easy to manageable to clean. If you guys want one, I'll link it down below in the description because it's really cute, and I like it because it matches that and like this and just the theme I'm going for. I've had this rug in mind for a while now, and it's actually a very good price for the size of it. Like, it might not look that big on camera, but in person it's actually really big. They have another rectangular one, I might get another one just to put somewhere else over, like maybe down over here or something. But it's really cute, easy to manage and clean. Says you can vacuum it, so that's good, because I knew since I had dogs I needed something to where I can vacuum it and it still looked perfect. But yeah, really easy to manage. I'll link it down below, but I just wanted to show you guys that because I thought it was really cute. I like it. I also got, I'll show you the other thing I got. I got this little throw blanket. And it's so cute. It matches my bedding. I've been trying to look for a little throw blanket for a while that wasn't too pricey, but was still cute and pretty big. I just have it like this for now, and it matches like that, and then it matches my sheets underneath. It's like a corally pink, so it's a little lighter, but it matches pretty well. Not too much of a difference. And I also got this aromatherapy diffuser, and it matches my room really well, matches my whole house. I love it. Also, in this video, I wanted to say hello 2021, because I can't believe we made it to 2021 already. And I don't know why, but I just feel so old. I just turned 21 last year, but I'll be 22 this year, and I don't know why, I just feel so old. That's not old at all, but I feel old. But hopefully this year I can achieve all my goals. I really want to get to 1,000 followers and 4,000 hours watch time, so I hope I can do that by the end of the year. That is my goal that I'm gonna work very hard to. But yeah, so make sure to always watch my videos. Make sure to share if you'd like. You don't have to, but if you'd like, it'd really mean a lot. Make sure to like them, share, comment. It really helps. But I feel like I'm doing pretty well so far. I ended the year with 421 subscribers. Well, no, 400. I ended the year with 420 subscribers. And that's really well. I feel like I worked really hard, especially Vlogmas. I feel like I worked very hard during Vlogmas, because Vlogmas is honestly really hard. Alright, you guys, so it's been a little while, and right now I'm actually writing down how much all the animals weigh, because I had to weigh them. We're gonna start weighing them every 2 weeks, so besides the dogs. But yeah, I just did that. I have some cookies in the oven. I just ate some pork tenderloin things. They were really good. It's the one that's already all seasoned, and it was only like $6 for like a big one. I had some yesterday, so I ate the leftovers today. But it was really good. And like I said, now I'm just doing this. Probably about 8 or 7, probably 7, I'll start feeding the snakes, since it does take a little while. And I do have to edit this video tonight because I want it to be uploaded tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed them then. So once I'm actually feeding them, I'll show you guys and go on from there. This is Miss Luna. She's getting so big. She's actually really simple to feed. I don't know, she's not as hard like the rest are. But, so, that is what I do. I just give it to her like this, wait until she's done, let her do her thing. And then, I'm gonna go ahead and feed Pumpkin. I'm gonna set you guys up like right here. Hopefully that stays. Please don't fall. So this is Pumpkin. It's kind of hard to see because of the lighting, but this is Pumpkin. She's actually pretty long. She looks like a little noodle. But I usually just set her up in here. So then, and I'm actually gonna put her beside it so she knows that there's food right there. But this is her enclosure. It's actually pretty big, but she's gonna get really big. She's gonna get like 7 to 9 feet long. I also need to change out her water, so I gotta do that. So once I am done feeding these two, because I actually have to get her some more water. So I'm gonna get her some more water real fast, and then I'll show you guys me feeding the other snakes. Okay, so I can't show her like when I first put it in there because that was too much. But she just grabbed it. She's getting ready to eat it. She's actually pretty big. But yeah.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. Myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around